We are going to make a tortilla taco using the smoked salmon, cheese, onion, and the tortillas and green chili, and the cucumber just go as a side dish, side item. We have placed the salmon in the tortillas, so all four the both have been placed with the salmon. Now we are going to add the tomato sauce there, and so we will add tomato sauce on all of them, and that will make a tangy flavor with the smoked salmon. We are going to load with the chillies. So we put the chilies. You may have noticed that we put the chilies into two because the other two, my wife doesn't like the chilies. So now we are placing the onion, and we cut the onion in slices so that we can pile them nicely, and now we have put the onion there. Now we are placing the cheese on the top of it, so the cheese will melt with onion. The melted cheese with onion will be very tasty. So all the tortillas have been filled with smoked salmon, the onion, and chilies, and on the top of it onion and also the cheese. So now we are going to bake them. We have also placed the black garlic on two of them, so they will add a real good flavor to this tortilla taco. Hello, this is our dinner: tortilla, smoked salmon boat, and this is the avocado and the cucumber salad. So that's going to be the combined dinner for tonight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these and put it in my dinner plate. Then I'm going to add some salad, avocado, and you may have noticed that we didn't add any salad dressing or anything. It's always better to avoid any processed ingredient, because the processed ingredients are only for the taste. They very rarely add any nutritional value to that other than the taste, satisfying your taste bud. To improve the taste bud of the avocado, we have garnished with the pepper, cracked pepper, and put the avocado here, and then also take some cucumber, very nice cucumber, and that is so what I'm going to do is, I took my portion of the salad. Now I'm going to put that in that load the bowl with the avocado and the cucumber slices. See how I'm actually loading them, and so my wife is telling me there's another one there, so leave some more, but anyway that's okay. And to me, that is a very healthy and nutritious tortilla smoked salmon dinner. I will call this as a boat. Yeah, it looks like a fishing boat, and very nice. nice. Thank you very much for watching this fantastic very juicy. Okay, so you have salmon there, onion there. That is the profile of them. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. We don't edit any video. We put them as they are. That's from our home. So I appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Thank you.